This is a school presentation of a homemade volcano by Glasses Boys of Form 2B.
A vent is a circular depression in the ground caused by volcanic activity. It is typically a basin, circular in form, within which occurs a vent, from where magma erupts as gases and lava. Some volcanoes may have a side vent.
A side vent is part of a parasitic cone, which is a cone-shaped accumulation of volcanic material which is not part of the central vent of a volcano. It is formed from past eruptions from fractures on the flank of the volcano. Eventually, the fractures reach the magma chamber, called flank eruptions, which produce parasitic cones.
A sill is a tubular sheet intrusion that has intruded between older layers of sedimentary rocks, beds of volcanic lava, or even along the direction of foliation in metamorphic rock.
A dike is a sheet of rock that formed within fracture in a pre-existing rock body. A dike could be either intrusive or sedimentary in origin.
Batholith, a very large intrusion extending to an unknown depth in the Earth's crust.
Right now we have already poured some warm water into our volcano and vinegar. Now we are going to put baking soda. And this reaction causes the behavior of volcanic reaction. And here you can see the lava is flowing down from the volcano. As well as our parasitic or side vent.
Thank you for watching our presentation.